Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Well, in November we have Thanksgiving, so in this video I'll teach you how to make an origami turkey that you can use as a decoration. This model is very easy to do and requires only 1 square of paper, can be the size and type you prefer. For this video I'm going to use 25 by 25 centimeters, 10 by 10 inches. First of all, we have to fold in half diagonally. Unfold, rotate, and now in this position, let's fold the top 2 edges to the middle, creating 2 new diagonals. First the right side, as I said, just bring the top to the middle and make a crease. Now repeat the same on the other side. Now we have to fold up the triangle that remains below. Once done, we can unfold completely, fold the triangle, and bring both sides over. Now let's fold half of the bottom edge to the middle. Do the same on the other side. Unfold both. Open the right side and reverse the paper using these 3 lines. Just push the middle up, creating a new small flap. And then bring the same flap up as well. Repeat on the other. Now on the right flap, we have to fold in half by bringing one edge to the other. Repeat on the left. And now pay close attention. We'll have to fold a new straight line, leaving the fold parallel with the top edge. Just bring the corner up. Keep the edge well aligned on the side. And reinforce. Repeat on the left. Now, in this position, close the paper. On the right side, fold a small diagonal like this. Then open the paper and reverse the extra paper what is above the diagonals. Now close again. As you can see, we have some paper reversed. Now fold another diagonal on the left side. Repeat the same step, just open and reverse the paper. Reverse again, now forward. And one more time, now reversing down. The origami turkey is ready! As I said, it was very easy to do, and in my opinion, it has a very good result. I hope you liked this video. If yes, remember to click like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.